How to enable autofill on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable autofill on Android phone. First, then open settings, and here all you need to do is just click on this one here, search, and then just type autofill, and here you will see this one, autofill usernames and passwords. And now all you need to do is just click on it and type your password here. And as you see here, you will find it autofill usernames and passwords. And now all you need to do is just click on it if you want to enable it, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.